Hey traders, this is Tim with Irvin here. Welcome to our Forex Weekly Forecast follow-up. So what we're gonna be doing today, guys, is we're gonna be reviewing the video that we recorded on Sunday. Today is the follow-up, just to see the before and after. But once again, guys, welcome to our Forex Weekly Forecast. Let's see what the market has to offer us. So let's see if everything that I give you guys on Sunday was on point. So we are gonna go ahead and start with the very first pair that I gave you on Sunday. That it is, guys. This is Euro USD. Pay close attention what Euro USD is doing. Look, this is the benefit of having multiple time frame, guys. If you guys do not have multiple time frame, this is the time, guys. Take a look at it. Look, you could have collect hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips trading multiple time frame system. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday, guys. All this data here on Sunday did not exist. All the drawing that you're gonna see on all the pairs did not exist. So what did I tell you guys over the weekend, guys? This is what I say clearly, guys. Euro USD, yes, it's still in a buy trend, but market on Sunday was giving us a what? It was giving us a pullback. So I told everyone, guys, the market's still gonna be pushing to our 50 Fibonacci level, which it did, right? A little bit lower, which is fine. And then I said the market was gonna come back and retrace between your 38 to your 23 Fibonacci level, because the market, it is bullish. So right now the market is doing exactly, guys, what I told everyone. That is amazing, to be honest. That makes me so happy to let you know that. And you know what? We should celebrate this one, guys. Really. This is amazing, guys. I'm telling you, this is so amazing. I'm super happy. This is trading multiple time frame, guys. It's very easy, very honest. But look at what the market is doing real time right now. I like to end it on 1 hour if I'm gonna be going long term. And we have come up with a new strategy, guys, to scalp the market. So we're gonna go live. We're gonna be going live actually a lot. So either we're gonna be recording videos to help you out. But if you want to learn more, the link is on the description of this video. Take a look at it, join us, and earn hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. I'm telling you guys, this is amazing. But I just wanted to also remind everyone about one thing that is very important, guys. As always, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not giving you any signal, nothing like that. Please do not trade any money you cannot afford to lose, guys. This business is very risky, but if you need help, let me know. The link is on the description of this video. Get in touch with me. We have merchandise. We have Forex trading merchandise on the link on the description of this video as well. And we have also add up a new forex fund link that you can get a funded account if you don't have enough money. But hey, it is what it is. All right, let me show you another pair that I give you over the weekend, guys. This is, look, I give you USDCAD, guys. This is exactly what I gave everyone on Sunday, guys. Look at this setup. Look, let me bring it up in here. Look, this was so beautiful. Look, guys, I'm not expecting to get 100% all the time, because in this business nobody's perfect, only the market is right. So what we're doing here is we predicting an educated opinion of what the market is going to be predicting based on using our multiple time frame. So here on Forex Trading, guys, this is the best indicators you're gonna ever add up into your platform. Plus, we are giving you guys 40% anyway. So come and join us. Look at the dashboard, guys. The dashboard do not lie. 1 hour is telling me, Irvin, I'm selling. Love it, guys. There's money to be made in there. Look at all this data did not exist on Sunday. All this data was not here. But what did I say on Sunday, guys? I say, guys, that we have an indicator. Look, market here is clean, telling us, hey, Irvin, I'm in a buy position. Look at the stairs. The stairs don't lie, right? So what are we looking for in here? This is what we're looking for. We're looking for the multiple time frame to go in the same direction of the TW sniper entry. Look at there, clear and saying buy. Look at the stairs. The stairs don't lie, guys. Look at this. It's very easy, very simple to use this system, guys. There's no magic. When the market is ready, it's always gonna be ready. Look at the stairs, and look at the bullish. Buy, buy, buy. All this data was not here on Sunday. So what did I tell everyone on Sunday, guys? The market is gonna do the following. Market's still gonna be pushing, retesting your previous multiple time frame. Look at that touch. Boom! Right on it. Right on it. That's why you need multiple time frame, guys. That's why everyone need multiple time frame. Trade with rules. Trade with rules. If you don't know how to trade, don't trade the market. But look, then what else did I say? I said, guys, from there, the market is going to do a retracement. I thought the market was going to come back to your 78.6 Fibonacci. It came all the way to your 61.8 Fibonacci level. And then what else did I say? From here, market is going to go up. It's not there yet. It's doing exactly what I told you. So this is amazing, guys. Guys, hopefully you guys are finding value on this video. If you are finding value, guys, make sure you give me a thumbs up and drop a comment below so I can help you. If you want me to drop one of your favorite pair on this coming week analysis, guys, over the weekend, let me know ahead of time and I will make sure that I bring it up. It could be Dogecoin, it could be silver, whatever is in your mind. I could do it, and then we're gonna do the before and after, and then you're gonna see if multiple time frame is right. If not, it's not. But so far we are here on fire. All right, so hopefully you guys are finding value because everything is working very, very nicely. And guys, do me a favor. Is free. All right, so far so good, guys. Any questions so far? Look, I also gave everyone goal. I told you guys over the weekend, I say, guys, stay with me to the end because I was gonna be trading 3 of these particular pairs, and guess what? All of them make me money because I was right. Look at here. Here is goal. Look, I want you to sit down with anybody. If someone predict the goal ahead of time, look, all this data here did not exist on Sunday. Look, all these candles here were not here. You can watch the video. All the data was not there. But look at what happened using multiple time frame. I was right. Look at here. Multiple time frame was telling me, Irving, the market is bullish. TWA sniper entry was also letting me know, Irving, I'm in a buy position. Look at here on 1 hour. Irving, I'm in a buy position. So everything is saying buy, buy, buy. On Sunday, what did I tell you guys on Sunday? On Saturday or Sunday, I said, guys, the market is gonna go all the way to this magenta line. Look, I draw that line in there for a reason. Look at what happened. Boom! Right on it. Right on it. What happened from there? I say, guys, market is gonna retrace back, retesting your mid 23 to your 38 Fibonacci line. Look at what happened. Boom! Right what I told you. Then what else did I say? I said from there, market is gonna continue bullish. Because here, gold, guys, is bullish. It's bullish at this present time. Real time, right now. This is real, guys. I'm not making it up. I don't need to. Guys, the link is on the description of this video. You must join multiple time frame. Anyway, we have 40% off Valentine. So get the code. The code is on the description of this video. You're gonna love it. All right. But this is amazing, guys, to be honest. Look, so far, guys, I analyzed what? 1, 2, 3. All those 3 pairs are 100% on points. You're seeing it. This is the before and after. If something goes against me, this is the time where you're going to see it. Look, I also gave everyone GBPUSD. I gave it to you guys. Can't say that I didn't do it because, look, here's the evidence. Here's the evidence. Look. Amazing, guys. Look at the dashboard. What's the dashboard saying right now? I like 1 hour, all right, to trade in the long term. 1 hour saying Irving, we're bullish. That's exactly what the market is doing. That's exactly what the market is doing. Look, on Sunday, this is what I say on Sunday. I knew the market was bullish. Look at here, bullish, bullish. So on Sunday, the market was giving us a what? It was giving us a pullback. So I say, guys, all this candle did not exist. Remember that. Always remember that. The drawing, yes, the drawing happens. But I say, guys, the market is going to come back between your 50 to your 38 Fibonacci, came all the way to your 28 to your 23, which is fine. I knew the market was in a pullback. And then what else did I say? I said market was bullish, guys. Look, it came and retested this previous green multiple time frame in there. What happened from there? Boom! It went like straight up what I told you. I'm telling you guys. So why? Because the market here is clean. It's clean. Telling you the market is bullish, guys. Guys, I'm telling you, if you guys don't join multiple time frame, you are missing tons of information. Look, if you cannot afford, join the Gold membership on YouTube. I will make sure that you come to class. I will make sure that you come to class, get to see, you know, how we trade with rules, how we explain everything. If it doesn't make sense, then you know, go somewhere else. Stop searching for company to company. Learn how to trade. Stop buying signal. Do not spend your money on signal. Learn how to trade. That's the best advice I can give you guys. Learn how to trade. All right, here's another pair that I gave everyone, guys. This was amazing. This was, by the way, I did trade GBPUSD, guys, and I banked very well. This is another trade that I took as a buy position. Guess what? It worked out. This is the BCHUSD. That's what it is, the BCHUSD. Look at here, guys. Look at what I told you. But why is bullish? Why is bullish? Look, this is what I saw on Sunday, guys. Look, multiple time frame is here. Our TW sniper entry is also here. Look at here, more confirmation. And look at that bullish trend. Boom. So on Sunday, this is what I was seeing on Sunday. I saw this pullback here. This is considered a pullback. So I told you guys, I did explain it with detail on Sunday. The market was going to be in a pullback. I told you. You can't say that I didn't say it because it was clean. I explained it very, very slowly to make sure you get it. But this is what I say, guys. Market is in a bearish trend. All right, so in a pullback. So I said market is going to come back and retest this previous red arrow here. Right on it. Almost right on it. A bit short, but it's fine. It's still on point. Then from there, I said market is bullish, guys. Don't forget the market is only going in one direction. That is bullish. And look at what happened. I said market is going to come back and retest your 50 Fibonacci level. Perfect hits, guys. Boom. From there, I said market was going to do a small pullback. And we were going to come back today to review the market and do the before and after. This is how you trade multiple time frame, guys. I'm telling you. Guys, if you don't have multiple time frame, you need to get it. You really need to get it, because to be honest, you are missing a huge opportunity to make hundreds and hundreds. Nothing is guaranteed, don't get me wrong, nothing is guaranteed, but hey, at least you will have an amazing system on your side that is gonna tell you when the market is ready, when it's not. I'm telling you. But the decision is yours. Do you want to do it? Do you want to join us? Or do you want to keep searching for indicator to another indicator, and move on and on and on and on? Because we had the answer for you. We had the answer for you. All right. So look, all I gave you guys on Sunday, how many pairs? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. I gave you 5 pairs, guys. All these 5 pairs that I gave you guys over the weekend, guess what? Guess what? It works out amazingly. This is what I told you, guys. Don't forget we have merchandise as well. Take a look at it. All the description is on the bottom. So and I highly recommend everybody to join our multiple time frame if you haven't done so yet. We have our 40% off. Do it before it's too late. You won't regret it. Once it's gone, it's gone. And remember, the dragon is hungry for you to start joining and get these hundreds and hundreds and hundreds